Welcome back. In this video, I will explain how to create lip sync with Whisk AI. If you're using Whisk AI and want to make your character talk or move its lips, there is something important you should know. Let's get started. First, Whisk AI is mainly an image generation tool. It is designed to create images from prompts, subjects, scenes, and styles. However, Whisk does not have a built-in lip sync feature. This means you cannot directly create talking videos or animate lip movements inside Whisk AI. What you can do instead is use Whisk to generate the image you want. Create your character or image inside Whisk and save the result. Once you have generated the image, download it to your device. After that, upload the image to a lip sync tool or video editing app that supports facial animation. For example, you can use apps like Hydra, CapCut, or other AI lip sync tools. These tools allow you to add audio, voiceovers, or speech and automatically animate the character's lips. Simply upload the image generated by Whisk, add your audio, and let the lip sync tool create the talking animation. So the workflow is very simple. First, generate the image in Whisk AI. Then, download the image. After that, upload it to a lip sync app such as Hydra or CapCut. Finally, add your audio and generate the lip sync video. And that's it. Whisk AI can help you create the image, while a separate lip sync tool can turn that image into a talking character. I hope this video helped you. Please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more upcoming videos. Thanks for watching.